What's going on YouTube? Yes, I know. It's Adam Noli, the one and only, back at it again. And I know I took a long hiatus. However, have a good enough reason, but by the time everyone's going to see this, I don't even have that much subscribers, so I don't think a lot of people was like waiting for me to actually post. So, that's why I didn't feel that bad actually taking this long of a break. But like I had a good reason to. Like I was really busy with a lot of work and personal stuff going through in my life in the moment right when I actually started like posting videos. So it was really hard to manage everything. But that being said, I'm just going to give you guys a quick update about like where I'm going to take this channel. For right now, my sole focus won't be completely in social media marketing at the moment right now since I kind of stopped actually trying to get clients. I've been only working solely with the few clients I actually have and building like rapport with them. So I don't want to keep on like making videos about like, oh, how to get these clients in like different ways since like I'm not actually doing it right now. I'm not actually seeking more clients, so I don't want to make videos of something that I'm not actually doing. So like, I don't want you to get the wrong idea or anything. So that's why I haven't been posting videos that much about social media marketing. If you still want me to post a few more about like certain things I've learned, like with my business owners that I'm working with, then I can actually make videos of that. But like me actually seeking strategies to get owners, that's where like my channel was in the beginning. But I'm switching it now. And my one of my main focuses, not all of mine, but like the main one I want to actually get into now is me documenting my journey of cryptocurrency. So yes, I am getting into cryptocurrency. It's been a while. I know almost all my friends, if you're watching these, I know my friends in my social media marketing group kept on telling me get into get into cryptocurrency. I just haven't been listening to them. Like, I just figure like I'm doing so well with social media marketing. Like, why would I need to do this? And yeah, it's just like I just haven't been listening to them, and that's like one of the mistakes I've been missing. I don't want to suffer from FOMO, fear of missing out, and everything. So I need to jump on this train before it takes off completely. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna get into. So you should be expecting like oh yeah, for one, I don't invest in something that I don't fully understand completely. And I like studying things before I actually like put money towards something. Like I am a risky spender sometimes, but like with cryptocurrency, I have no idea like what this is and stuff. I know Bitcoin a little bit, but like I don't know exactly like since there's a lot of them now. I want to actually study like where I'm putting my money behind. So I'm actually not going to like first video. I want to buy like $500 of what bitcoins and shit and like see how that goes. Like no, I'm actually gonna like make videos like me actually learning certain things of this whole concept of cryptocurrency and then condensing them in like sections of videos so I can actually show you like what I learned personally and it could like help me learn a little bit better and like show you guys like what you guys should know if you guys are like in the same state that I'm in right now, still debating about actually diving into cryptocurrency. This video will like let you know a little bit like certain things about it so you won't have to waste too much time actually researching it because I'll be doing all the studying and you can just watch my videos. So it works both hand in hand. So you can't complain. Just view my videos and like them, please. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I want to get into and it's just going to be a documentary of my journey because it seems like a pretty cool thing to get into. I know Bitcoin was all the craze and everything. That ship took off. I supposedly might come back, but I'm trying to get into this. I don't want to miss it, and I want to document everything. I want to be on it, man, because I've been slacking a lot on YouTube, and YouTube's one of the other things I want to focus on. Actually, like growing my channel and actually getting more views and subscribers and people actually like interested in my content. So, that's something I want to dive into as well, building my brand and actually getting into cryptocurrency. So, I really hope you guys enjoy this journey. I'll be going over the concepts of like cryptocurrency, like certain coins I'm interested in. I'll let you guys know why that I'm interested in these coins. I'll explain why I might choose which coin in the end, and then I'll just talk about like certain things, like key points you should know about cryptocurrency, like the negatives and the good things and the bad things, certain things that you can focus on, and that's basically like all I'll be talking about, and just certain things I'm gonna be doing throughout this journey. So, hope you guys all had a great Valentine's Day and enjoying it with a significant other. Me, I'm just out here trying to grind, get that money up online. So I didn't even try to rhyme, but that was pretty nice. But anyway, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'm just going to keep on grinding, and you guys going to see it. So, that being said, take care.